So it came about, so we had quite a few staff injuries. We just wanted to make sure everyone was safe and everyone was able to use the equipment without any strain on themselves, and it's had a real positive impact on our staff injuries. The training was awesome. Paul arranged it around what fitted in with the staff, came at a time we could get the most staff to attend, made it good and interactive so the staff were engaged and got to have practical hands-on goes and trials to make sure they felt happy and confident with it.
On we lifted each other up in the Luna and put each other down, and we could see how it felt, so how the residents would feel in that situation, so it's good. So light and easy to move around. We can just move it with one finger. It's so smooth for our residents and just really easy for our staff to transfer.
Staff come in and install them, and that was a seamless day as well. It worked really well. They were really respectful of our home because it is a resident's home, so it's really important that they work with us during that. And then the installation was completed and left, and you wouldn't probably know they'd been here apart from the system itself. And like I say, it's very non-obtrusive, so you kind of have to look for the rooms that do actually have the overhead lift system in.
The area that you're working in, then you've got one less obstruction in the room, so you bring in a traditional hoist. You know, it's quite cumbersome. It needs quite a lot of space to be used. So there's obviously the risk of damage to walls and other equipment and things.
Our residents love how it's fast and smoother to get onto the bed, and yeah, the staff love that it's easier for them as well.